So, you've just spent the last 20 minutes engineering the perfect prompt, and the results from ChatGPT are nothing short of genius. Now you're stuck, because you want to send that brilliance to a friend or a colleague, but you definitely don't want to deal with the messy formatting of a copy-paste job. Sharing a chat in ChatGPT is the only way to keep the context intact, but if you don't know where the specific buttons are hidden, you're going to end up with a wall of ugly text in an email instead of a clean, interactive link. Let's fix that right now. Open up your ChatGPT interface and look at the conversation you want to send out. The most direct route is sitting right at the top of your screen. Look toward the upper right-hand side, right next to your profile icon. You'll see a Share button waiting for you there. Give that a click and a pop-up window will appear. This is your control center for the shared link. All you have to do is click the button to create the link, and suddenly you have a unique URL ready for the world. If you prefer navigating from your history, there's a second way to get this done. Look over at the left-hand sidebar where all your previous conversations live. Find the specific chat you're looking for and hover over it until you see three small dots. Click those dots and you'll see the share option pop up again. Just like the first method, this opens that same window where you can generate your link. You can even send these straight to platforms like LinkedIn, Reddit, or X if you want to show off your AI collaboration to a bigger audience. Why does OpenAI make us go through this specific process instead of just letting us copy the URL from the browser bar? Well, the URL in your browser is tied to your specific account and session. If you just copy that and send it to someone, they'll hit a login wall or a 404 error because they don't have permission to view your private history. Creating a shareable link essentially makes a snapshot of that conversation at that exact moment in time. This protects your privacy while still letting you show off the specific output you generated. Now you have total control over how your work is viewed. You can pull that link, open it in a private window to see exactly what your recipient will see, and feel confident that the formatting stays perfect. You aren't just sending text anymore, you're sending a clean, readable version of your digital brainstorm.